Your FICO score is broken up into 5 categories: payment history, utilization, age, types of credit, and inquiries. FICO scores are calculated using many different pieces of credit data in your credit report. This data is grouped into 5 categories: payment history, which is 35%, amounts owed, which is 30%, length of credit history, which is 15%. The new credit represents 10%, and a credit mix, that is 10%. Payment history. The first thing any lender wants to know is whether you have paid past credit accounts on time. This helps a lender figure out the amount of risk it will take when extending credit. This is the most important factor in a FICO score. Be sure to keep your accounts in good standing to build a healthy history. Amounts owed. Having credit accounts and owing money on them does not necessarily mean you are a high-risk borrower with a low FICO score. However, if you are using a lot of your available credit, this may indicate that you are overextended, and banks can interpret this to mean that you are a higher risk of defaulting. Length of credit history. In general, a longer credit history will increase your FICO scores. However, even people who have not been using credit for long may have FICO scores, depending on how the rest of their credit report looks. Credit mix. FICO scores will consider your mix of credit cards, retail accounts, installment loans, finance companies' account, and mortgage loans. Do not worry, it is not necessary to have one of each. And the last one is new credit. Research shows that opening several credit accounts in a short amount of time represents a greater risk, especially for people who do not have a long credit history. If you can avoid it, try not to open too many accounts too rapidly.